Thank you, brother. Where are we going, bro? In the front?
Yeah.
Are we facing each other, or are we going to go in the front? Anything you got to say here then, bro? Say with Rayon, dude. Hold on to make sure that thing is latched. Oh, dude, what the? Why is this going back, bro? Why is it going back, cuz?
As long as this is sealed, I don't really want to worry. Yeah. When was the last time you were on a roller coaster?
Dude, it's been a while. I think, when did I go, dog? I don't remember, bro. The last fair? Oh, yeah, it's locked.
Cool.
Right?
It's been a while since I've been on the ride. December.
Bench. What the hell? Oh, okay, no. Yeah, this is gonna be it, bro.
Camera's turned.
What the hell did we sign up for, Fayaz?
Feels good. Are we gonna go all the way around? Yeah.
Oh my. Stop for the love, bro.
That was tight.
Okay. Oh shit! Oh god damn it! Oh god!
That last one.
Okay, yeah, that was not cool. Ben, Salah! Go around!
Oh shit! Not again!
Not again! Okay. Okay, Fayaz, bro. I'm gonna get you with this, bro. Oh God, no! No! Oh God, no more! No more! Why? No! Hey, dude, hold on, baby. Oh, why? Masala, why? Why?
I think these Mexican are being.
I'm trying to get my balance. What about you guys?